You know what we should have done, Mark? We should have just went and got the log. And then what'd you say?
And then done the belt so that my neighbors wouldn't be thinking, why is Mark such an asshole?
Mark said that. I didn't say it. You heard it from the source. Hi, puppy. Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? Hi. Hi. Got it working, fellas. All right, now we're gonna go do something. Of course, I didn't film it, but dragged it out of there. All right, right over there. Yeah, my hands are dirty. Right over there. It was fun. Pulled it with the beast. She did a good job. Her name is Bertha. Made it. That's a big log, huh? Not bad. We're just being complete jerks. I just cut this lady off. Say, I got it. Peace. That thing is cranking. It's just so much fun. I think we got to get more beer. So Mark, in his infinite wisdom, he hates this. He adjusted the throttle cable so much so that he messed it up.
It's good actually, because this part was all the way out, and so was the part on the other end of the cable. So.
Oh, yeah. Are we going to chalk this up as a learning experience?
Well, it's weird because I hadn't really had this problem before.
Right, because I'm here.
Yeah, it's gotta be.
It's gotta be, right? All right. Got a Woodland Mills HM 130 Max. I can't believe with a single cylinder, you're able to mill some pretty significant lumber, man.
This blade is dull, by the way.
Oh, so that's
Probably
good.
Change it.
So why don't we do that before we,
We probably should. And I have lots of blades.
I mean, the first one's an offcut.
Yeah.
But you know what? That's where the good charcuterie boards come in handy. And you're not worried about any of this dirt on here either.
No.
All right. Oh, look at that.
It's a little rotten.
That's okay. So am I.
Alright. Let's see if we crank it up.
See, sawing with Sandy never shows you this part. Look how many cranks you gotta go. Jesus. So you should have got a wood miser.
It's pretty tight, actually.
It's like Ford versus Chevy. Or Ford versus Ferrari. Oh. Mark's sticking his ass in my face. He's gonna fucking whack me one day.
Yeah, this part doesn't come out. Alright,
Try it. Oh, that's nice. Huh. All right, ladies. I didn't realize that. This is adjustable.
yeah, and it lowers the
That
tension
bar
on the
right there is
cable.
adjustable. That's cool.
Okay, so let's try this now. Now it's probably too loose. Try that again.
Who's the guy that made this thing? Assembled. Assembled. Again, these are things that sawing with Sandy doesn't show you, fellas.
Okay, so that's what you want?
What do you mean?
Yeah, it's the cable. Well, you got a Phillips? Yeah.
All right, so we figured out what the problem is, I think. Somebody rerouted the throttle cable. Somebody did. I don't know who it was. Time for a beer. I used to work with this kid. Well, this guy used to.
Yeah.
This guy used to work for us. And you'd ask him, "Hey, kid, do you have this wrench?" He goes, "Yeah." And you just stand there. Oh, you mean you wanted it? Oh.
Yeah. That's a dumbass.
Silly me. Silly me. You're gonna. Oh. Bro, why didn't you just say something to me? I would.
It's alright.
It's like way out of the thing here.
We had a what?
Out of the holder. Like, yeah, all right. Out of this thing.
Yeah, hold on.
You didn't learn your lesson not to cut things?
That's about 1 inch.
Yeah.